guys. Welcome back to another channel. It's, as you can see from the title, we will be cooking today. Shanique will be going in the kitchen. We are going to be doing a Jamaica dish. So it's in Jamaica, we celebrate Jamaica Day on, I think it's the last Friday of February. No, I don't remember, but this Friday is gonna be Jamaica Day, February 25th. And of course, it's not Friday yet. It is now February 22 of the second, 2022. So it is Tuesday. Happy Tuesday to you all. So today, what we're going to be doing, I'm going to be doing some Jamaican food. So I'm going to cook in yam, banana, no, not banana, we ate banana this morning. So yam, dumpling, pumpkin. And to go with that, we're going to be doing some callaloo with some saltfish in it. Right. So I'm taking you along with me. No, I'm home alone, so it's gonna be hard to vlog, but let's see what we can do. All right, before that, let's get into the video. All right, so guys, we bought the callaloo. Oh, you can see we bought the callaloo cut. Well, not really by callaloo. My coworker from school, she sells callaloo and she cut it up for me. So I'm just washing it. We normally wash it before we cut it up. But since it came cut, I'm just washing it for the precautions. Yes, me always love make my food then healthy. So we're gonna put on the color. Well, the pot for the yam and all of that is already on. Is already on. So we're going to do that. Right? So I feel like adding some. I don't know if you ever do this. I'm going to add some cabbage. Ooh, I don't know why this thing's so short. I don't know if that's a cake is short. Oh, okay, so you don't know how to do it. So yeah, I feel like adding some cabbage to my pot. So I'm gonna shred these, and then I'm gonna add some carrots. Because remember, it's just the callaloo, right? All the callaloo shredded already and cut nicely, fine and nice. So we're going to shred the carrots and the callaloo in there. I'll make a ital meal. The children then will develop confidence and what they are confident that what they say matters because then you comment them and say good job and so forth. Yes. Great. So it develops their critical skills, their imaginative skills, their creative confidence. So half of my time when me have video, half I gone off of the something over there because the battery went. So I just came out of the meeting and realized because I was just running it. So anyway, the callaloo and vegetable something. I don't know what this is name, but we are calling it's in the pot. I not add water yet because I want it to steam down first. So let it go on that. And then this now pot was bubbling, so I placed in the yam. I'm going to be putting in the dumpling soup. So I just placed some water in there. I'm probably gonna put some more water in there, and I finished placing all the ingredients in the spot. Like a soup me I cook. Anyway, we have pumpkin, we have yam inside, we have and caramel dumpling. I told you I was doing Jamaican dish, right? Yes, and little I think it's tashine, yes. The purple food me always call it. Me didn't make too much flour, so I'm gonna put up that. So let's just check on our callaloo slash you know what, it's a mixed vegetable. All right, I want some more water in it, so let's put some more water in it. All right guys, so I'm through with cooking. Of course, when it's time to share, you'll see my food, but we got everything over here and I'm through, so I'm gonna be chilling for now. Yeah, they'll tell you how it tastes. I don't know. All right guys, so we are about to taste my food. My sister is already. How was
it's after 9 people. She just said the dinner was great.
Yeah, extra too.
Yep, it's after 9. I should just eat.
Will you tell the people what happened to me?
She was sleeping.
So I'm gonna have some pumpkin, dumpling, and yam, and you know my veggies. And then I have to wait a little while before I go to bed, but it's okay. Anyway, thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye. Baby,